Welcome to Everyday English Phrases. In this video, we'll be exploring 50 common phrases and their meanings. Each phrase will be accompanied by animated conversation examples to help you understand how they are used in everyday situations. So, let's get started.
I'm tired. Should we stop?
No, let's keep going. You can do it.
Keep going means to continue doing something without giving up, even when it becomes difficult.
Hey, I was in the neighborhood, so I thought I'd drop by. Is now a good time?
Drop by means to visit someone informally or without a prior arrangement.
Hi, I have a question about my order.
Sure, can I put you on hold for a moment while I check that for you?
Can I put you on hold? Is used to ask if the other person is okay with waiting on the phone momentarily.
Who's in charge of organizing the team building event?
I am. I'll take care of all the arrangements.
In charge of means being responsible for or having control over something or someone.
I'm running short of time. There's still so much to review.
Running short of time means not having enough time to complete a task or activity.
Sarah, come on, get a move on. We don't want to be late for school.
Get a move on is a casual way of telling someone to hurry up or get started with something.
Hi, how can I help you today?
How can I help you? Is a polite way of offering assistance to someone. In an hour means something will happen or be done 60 minutes from now.
We're ahead of schedule, so we have some extra time for improvements.
Ahead of schedule means completing a task or project earlier than expected.
Attention, the train is arriving on schedule.
On schedule means happening or done at the planned time.
We're behind schedule. We need to catch up.
Let's work extra hours to meet the deadline.
Behind schedule means being late or falling behind the planned timeline.
Sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm tied up in a meeting.
Tied up means being busy or occupied with something, unable to be available.
Let's catch up this week. When is a good time for you?
How about Friday evening?
When is a good time is used to inquire about a suitable time to meet or talk. Are you okay? Let me help you up. Help up means to assist someone to stand or rise, especially after a fall or accident.
I need to move these books out of the way to set up the laptop.
Move something out of the way means to relocate or shift an object to clear a path or space.
Oops, I turned the book upside down.
Upside down refers to the wrong orientation of an object with the bottom side facing up and the top side facing down.
Let me turn it the right side up.
Right side up means the correct orientation of an object with the top side facing up and the bottom side facing down.
His article is well written and informative. No wonder it went viral.
No wonder is used to express that something is not surprising given the circumstances.
I'll pay for the dinner tonight. It's on me.
On me means someone is offering to pay for something for everyone else, usually in a social setting.
I'm going to be late. I'm stuck in traffic.
Stuck in traffic means being held up or unable to move due to heavy road congestion.
Oh no, I was supposed to call Sarah. It totally slipped my mind.
It slipped my mind means forgetting something or failing to remember it.
I've been under a lot of pressure lately with all these assignments.
Under a lot of pressure means feeling stressed or burdened due to various responsibilities or demands.
I need to drop off this package at the post office.
Drop something off means to leave or deliver something at a specific location.
Have you finished the report yet?
Not yet, but I'm almost done.
Have you done something yet is used to ask if someone has completed a task or action.
I have so much work to do, I need to get through it.
Get through means to complete or handle a challenging task or situation.
I can't put up with the loud music from the neighbor anymore.
Put up with something means to tolerate or endure something unpleasant.
Sam, can you please send me technical document?
I'll send you the document right away.
Right away means immediately or without delay.
I made a mistake, and now I feel terrible.
Don't worry, it's not the end of the world. You'll get through it.
It's not the end of the world means that a situation is not as catastrophic as it may seem.
I'm struggling to find a job.
Don't worry, I'm in the same boat.
In the same boat means being in a similar situation or facing the same problem.
Sorry, I'm not following you. Can you explain that again?
I'm not following you is used to express that someone does not understand what is being said.
I got cut off during the call. I'll call back.
Get cut off means to have a phone call or communication abruptly ended, often due to a signal issue.
Sorry, I don't have change for a $50 bill.
Have change means to possess smaller denomination currency to provide as change during a transaction.
What's the distance from here to the nearest gas station?
Distance from a place refers to the length or measurement between two locations.
I'm the second to last in line.
The second to last means being the one just before the final or last one.
May I come in?
Come in is a polite way of seeking permission to enter a room or space.
I would like a burger and a side of fries, please.
I would like is a polite way of making a request or ordering something.
The bus is so late, I have been waiting for a long time.
I have been waiting for a long time means waiting for a considerable duration.
Tell me, what do you want to buy?
I can't make up my mind. There are too many options.
Make up my mind means to decide or choose between options.
I met her 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago refers to a time period 2 weeks in the past from the current moment.
Cheers to a great evening.
Cheers.
Cheers is used as a toast to wish for good health or express celebration.
We need to discuss the new project.
Let's schedule a meeting for that.
Discuss something means to talk about or exchange ideas on a particular topic.
I need to stay up to finish this assignment.
Stay up means to remain awake or not go to bed, especially during the night.
I overslept and missed my morning meeting.
Oversleep means sleeping longer than intended or desired, leading to being late for something.
Sam, I'm leaving. See you tomorrow.
I'm about to leave. Can you wait a minute?
About to do something means being on the verge of doing something soon.
I'm leaving now. I'm on my way.
On my way means currently traveling to a specific destination.
Arya, did you finish the report? I intended to finish the report, but I got sidetracked by social media.
Get sidetracked means getting distracted or diverted from the main task.
Don't wait for me, I'm gone for the day.
Gone for the day means leaving and not coming back until the next day.
We reached an agreement that benefits both parties.
That's a win-win situation.
Win-win situation refers to an outcome where all involved parties benefit or gain.
That's it. The project is finally finished.
That's it is used to indicate the completion of a task or action.
I got the job offer. It's about time.
It's about time is used to express relief or joy that something finally happened after waiting for a long time. And that wraps up our Everyday English Phrases video. We hope you found these animated conversation examples helpful in understanding the meanings of these common phrases. Remember, practice and immersion are key to mastering these expressions. Be sure to keep using them in your everyday conversations. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and keep learning. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.